Welcome to Supercar Madness 2024 at the legendary TT Assen circuit in the Netherlands. Today, we're diving into a jaw-dropping lineup of hypercars and supercars worth over $50 million. From track beasts to luxury masterpieces, this event has it all. Get ready to experience the ultimate automotive spectacle. The atmosphere here is electric. Enthusiasts and collectors have gathered to witness some of the rarest and most powerful machines ever built. And with names like Pagani, Koenigsegg, McLaren, and Lamborghini in attendance, the excitement is off the charts. But this isn't just about speed. It's about the passion, craftsmanship, and the unmistakable thrill of seeing these cars in action. Let's start with one of the stars of the show, the Pagani Huayra BC Roadster. With its sculpted carbon fiber body, this masterpiece is powered by a twin-turbo AMG V12 engine, delivering over 800 horsepower. This isn't just a car, it's a work of art. Every detail, from the exposed gear shift to the aerodynamic design, is handcrafted perfection. It's the ultimate blend of beauty and performance, and a true showstopper here at Assen. Next up, the McLaren Senna GTR, a track-focused monster built for one purpose: speed. With a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine producing 825 horsepower, the Senna GTR is all about raw, unfiltered power. Watch it tear up the track with surgical precision. Now, feast your eyes on the Lamborghini Revuelto, Lamborghini's first plug-in hybrid V12 supercar. Combining electrification with its signature naturally aspirated engine, it produces a staggering 1,001 horsepower. It's bold, aggressive, and unmistakably Lamborghini. And parked beside it is the Koenigsegg Gesco Plus, redefining hypercar performance with its 5.0-liter twin-turbo V8. With a top speed over 300 miles per hour, the Gesco Plus isn't just fast, it's groundbreaking. For the track purists, the Porsche 992 GT3 RS is a dream come true. With its naturally aspirated flat-six engine and aerodynamic wizardry, it's built to dominate the circuit. And for those who want performance and practicality, we have the Lamborghini Urus S Mansouri Venatus. This tuned super SUV boasts a striking custom body kit and over 800 horsepower, making it as menacing as it is luxurious. Another highlight is the Novatec Ferrari F12 N Largo S, a limited edition marvel with aggressive styling and enhanced aerodynamics. Its 6.3-liter V12 roars with unmistakable Ferrari power. And of course, the legendary Ford GT. A modern icon inspired by its Le Mans winning ancestor, it's a perfect mix of heritage and cutting-edge technology. And that's just the beginning. This event is packed with automotive gems, from classic supercars to the latest hypercars. Just take a look at this incredible lineup. It's a feast for the senses and a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for car enthusiasts. As the day unfolds, we're reminded of why events like Supercar Madness are so special. It's not just about the cars, it's about the shared passion, the engineering marvels, and the thrill of being part of something extraordinary. From the Pagani Huayra BC Roadster to the Koenigsegg Gesco Plus and beyond, this $50 million gathering has left us in awe. Thank you for joining us at Supercar Madness 2024 Hawaii, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible content. Until next time, keep chasing the thrill.